Okay, sound is a form of energy that is transferred from one point to another as a longitudinal waves. Yeah, sound is produced by vibrating sources placed in a medium. Yeah, there are three medium of transmission: solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, here is the medium of transmission. Medium of air, 300 meter per second. Water, 1,500. Iron, 5,000. And granite, 400. Okay, so the medium of transmission, the speed of sound in gas is lower than in liquid, and then also lower than the solid. So solid is the largest, yeah, largest speed, is the fastest, meaning, and the fastest speed of sound. Okay, due to the close packing of the particles in the solid state. So here are the properties of wave motion here. Amplitude, the maximum displacement of a point from its rest position. Here we have the international unit, meter, yeah, and then wavelength, the shortest distance between 2 points in phase, yeah, 1 lambda, yeah, A to E, we call 1 lambda, okay, one crest and one trough, yeah. Period, the time taken to produce one complete wave. The international unit is second. Frequency, the number of complete waves produced per second. The unit is hertz. Okay, here the wavelength. Okay, the wavelength of any wave is the distance between a point on a wave and a matching point on the next wave. Okay, and then the wavelength is the same whichever two matching points are used to measure the distance. Okay, the symbol used to represent wavelength is lambda. Wavelength is measured in meters, yeah. Okay, here the frequency is number of waves passing any point each second. Frequency, number of waves that pass a point over time. Frequency is measured in hertz. Okay, the unit hertz or 1/second. Okay. Next, compression and rarefactions, yeah. Compressions are regions where air pressure is higher than the surrounding air pressure. Okay, whereas the rarefactions are regions where air pressure is lower than the surrounding air pressure. Okay, here the question. Can sound be transmitted through vacuum? Why? Sound wave cannot be transmitted through vacuum because sound waves need a medium to travel from one point to another. There are three medium, right? Liquid, gas, and solid. Here the pitch, yeah, the pitch and loudness. Okay, pitch is related to the frequency of a sound wave. The higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. Loudness is related to the amplitude of a sound wave. The larger the amplitude, the louder the sound. Okay, here the recall, yeah, you have to remember there are 6, yeah. Oscilloscope, the electronic equipment used to display a waveform on a screen. Okay, here the water waves, interference. Interference is the effect produced when two or more waves meet. Okay, here the direction of wave movement. Yeah, we combine it, will be the right picture. The waves can interfere to reinforce, and the wave peaks arrive together. Two waves can interfere to cancel when the wave peaks of one meet troughs of another of equal amplitude. Here the formation of the moon collision theory. one of the theories for the formation of the moon, sometimes called the giant impact hypothesis. Okay, here formation of the moon, here the Theia, Earth, and an impact make the ring of rocks and dust. And then rocks and dust come together to form the moon. So here the Saturn, yeah, the Saturn planet. Evidence that supports the collision theory. Okay, there are 6 evidence. There is evidence outside the solar system of similar collisions causing rings of rock and dust. And the collision theory fits with the theory of how the solar system was formed. And then the moon is less dense than the Earth. The composition of rocks on the Earth and the moon are the same. The moon has a small iron core similar to the Earth. Samples of rock from the moon show that its surface was once molten. Here is the evidence that contradicts the collision theory. The surface of the Earth does not appear to ever have been molten. A collision that formed the moon would have caused the surface of the Earth to melt. The surface would have later solidified. Okay, here also the second contradicts the second evidence. Venus has no moon. Collisions in the early years of the solar system have been common, and scientists would have expected Venus to have a moon formed in the same way. And then the composition of the rocks on the moon will be expected to be more similar to the rocks on Theia than rocks on Earth. In fact, the composition of the moon is more similar to Earth. Okay, here is the definition of four nebulae, stellar nurseries, northern hemisphere, and southern hemisphere. And then here is the northern hemisphere, Orion Nebulae, the southern hemisphere's Carina Nebulae. Okay, stellar nurseries. The dust and gas can start to collapse together under the force of gravity. When the mass of dust and gas collects together and becomes larger, the force of gravity pulling inward increases. When this force gets very large, the pressure inside the new star also gets very large. The high pressure causes heat. The heat can cause all atoms to react with each other, so the new star can give out heat and light. Okay, here the movement of the tectonic plates. Tectonic plates, yeah. It can be earthquake, yeah. Here the process of earthquake. Molten rock in a mantle gets heated from the
Sir.
core.
Sir.
Hello. Okay, heated material expands and becomes less dense and rises close to
Hello,
the
sir. Can you hear me,
crust.
sir?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, artinya tektonik apa, sir?
Tectonic is a plate in the earth. Here, the location in here.
Oh, jadi kayak like the top of the earth gitu, like the
Yeah,
crust.
Sir, berarti the Earth line itu tectonic plates-nya kan, sir?
the earth what plane
Land.
plan. Yeah.
Land, sir, land.
Mm-hmm.
I
Tectonic
need
plate.
your love. Sorry.
So when the earthquake, yeah, the earthquake process, yeah, when the earth dance, yeah, like dance, like what is it, waving? Yeah, the tectonic plates wave, so the earth, what is it,
Sir, I have
can
a question, sir.
we call it earthquake. Uh-huh.
Sir, kita boleh nggak, sir? Kita belajar semua topiknya, sir.
Boleh, oke. Yang last week we already discussed kan, you can see the YouTube, right? Yang udah have
Yes,
you
sir.
seen my YouTube?
Yes, sir. I udah nonton, sir. Udah subscribe, I udah komen, udah share.
Oke, ya. Ya, yang last week we already discussed about apa sih? Aku lupa.
Yang genes inheritance ya.
Sama?
Maintaining life and genes and inheritance.
Oh, itu tuh topik sudah. Berarti now this topic, okay. Okay, here tectonic plates, yeah, irregularly shaped part of the Earth's crust that can move relative to each other. Okay, here the tectonic plates. Indonesia have so many tectonic plates. That's why Indonesia have
Sir, ada
so
Indonesia,
many
sir.
tectonic plates. Hmm?
Ada Indonesia, sir.
Here Indonesia, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Indonesia. This is Australia. This is okay here. Here is
Sir,
Singapore.
itu kayak kerasnya gitu ya, sir. Kayak kerasnya gitu, sir ya. The crust
Yeah.
of the earth, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
itu yang nggak nyatu gitu ya, sir. Lainnya gitu, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here, which country is this?
India, Arab.
No, look at my mouse here.
Malaysia, sir.
Huh?
Singapura, pinter.
Singapore, right? Singapore and then Malaysia, Thailand here. How
Singapura,
is this?
Malaysia, Philippines, Japan, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, ya, sir.
How is this? What is this country?
That's Philippines, sir.
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, here and then this is Australia, right? And then where is the Japan? Japan, Korea.
Itu, sir, di atasnya Philippines, sir.
Di atasnya Philippines.
Bukan yang itu, sir, atasnya lagi, sir. Itu tuh,
Here.
yang paling,
Okay.
ya.
Okay, here
India, sir,
Japan.
Biraj, sir. India, Biraj.
India here, right? And then this is China,
Biraj, sir,
Russia,
Biraj.
generation. And then I think this map is about 1,000 years ago, right? Because Europe like this, yeah, combined.
Yes, sir.
As I know,
Europe itu
Europe
kayak
like
gitu, sir.
nowadays can what is it separate it separate to be some countries, right? Not combined like this nowadays. Okay, now we go on to the ridge, yeah. The ridge is a boundary between two tectonic plates. Yeah, volcanoes occur because magma or molten rock is being pushed up, yeah. Now, earthquakes, yeah. Now, this is because of the tectonic plates. The movement between the two adjacent tectonic plates. Okay, most of the volcanoes and earthquakes that have been recorded occur close to the tectonic plate boundaries. Here, make a list of continent names. Okay, this is 250 million years ago, yeah. Gondwana, Laurentia, Baltica, Siberia.
Indonesia mana, sir? Indonesia, sir.
Indonesia, maybe here, the Moesia Hellenic Parenchyma.
Keren, sir.
Maybe,
Kalau
yeah.
di Pangea di mana, sir? Kalau di Pangea.
Pangea, oh Pangea. Indonesia, maybe like here, right, the Tethyan Ocean, yeah.
Keren
Because
banget, sir.
Australia is
Indonesia,
here,
sir.
yeah, Indonesia maybe here, right?
Indonesia keren banget, sir.
Australia is in the south of Indonesia, right? So maybe the
Sir,
Tethys Ocean here, like Indonesia.
Indonesia keren, sir.
Huh?
Indonesia keren, sir.
Yeah, Indonesia. And this is South China, North China, Laurasia, North America. Okay, next, the evidence for tectonic plates. Fossils are the remains of dead animals and plants that have turned to stone over millions of years. Okay, the fossil record provides more evidence for tectonic plates and their movement. And then here evidence for tectonic plates. The Earth's magnetic poles have reversed several times in the past. Newer rocks is forming in the middle and the magnetite that will align with the current magnetic field direction. Okay, rock is pushed
Sir,
outwards. Huh?
jadi kalau the evidence for tectonic plates, kalau ditanya aku tinggal jawab the Earth's magnetic pole and fosilnya gitu kan sir.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you sir.
Okay, this shows that the tectonic plates are moving slowly apart, pushed by the newly forming rock, and this has been continuing for millions of years. Okay, next. Force and energy belum kan ya?
Tunggu sir, kayaknya ini deh sir. Coba ya sir, aku coba cek dulu ya sir.
Itu udah seru, udah seru.
Udah, berarti udah semua kita
Force
quiz
and
ya.
energy apa sih sir?
Force and energy about density. Udah kan ya? Iya, udah sih.
Sir, aku pengen ini sir, yang Sankey diagram dong sir, I kurang ngerti sir.
Sankey diagram is a diagram to show the flow and of energy through a device or through a process ya. Input minus output. That's the formula.
Oh, so eh, input itu ini kan sir yang masuk gitu kan sir energinya.
Mhm.
Terus yang output itu apa sir?
Yang keluar, yang
Oh, yang
mechanical.
useful gitu ya sir.
Mhm.
Terus yang uselessnya itu dikurangin aja sir.
Iya, input kurang output. Udah.
Ya, sir. Terus kalau
That's it.
efisiensi apa tuh sir? Tadi ada di bawah sir.
Amount
Efisiensi.
of useful energy over the total energy supplied to the device.
Itu biar cari apa sih?
Efficiency.
Efisiensi itu kayak cari apa sih sir? Kayak apa sih?
Ya efisiennya efisien maksudnya kayak singkat gitu loh. Kayak apa sih? Ya efisien.
Oh, right sir, right sir.
Oke.
Alright, sir. Thank you very much.
Oke, next. That's it ya. Berarti kita quizzes. Ini udah kan
Hmm?
ya kemarin.
Jadi
Ini
kuisis lah sir.
apa?
Coba sir yang ini sir. The chemistry yang diagram. Yang itu sir.
Yang mana?
Yang reactivity sir.
Activity ini udah bukannya udah.
Reactivity sir.
Ada di YouTube nggak kan ya?
Reactivity, sir. Apa sih nama YouTube-nya saya lupa sir.
Ya, bentar. I buka dulu YouTube-nya.
Sir, sir, tahu nggak sir
Hmm.
kalau sir cari
Cari apa?